English phrases explained. Replace the soap. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, replace the soap. This might sound simple, but it's a great example of everyday English language usage that can be confusing for learners. So, let's dive in and understand it together. Replace the soap is a straightforward directive phrase. To replace means to put something back in its place or to substitute it with another. Soap is a common household item used for cleaning. When someone says, replace the soap, they usually mean one of two things. 1. Put the soap back where it belongs after using it. 2. Substitute an old soap with a new one because it's finished or no longer usable. Understanding the context is key in English. The phrase, replace the soap, can be used in different scenarios. 1. Household manners, teaching children or reminding family members to maintain cleanliness and order. 2. Workplace, in office restrooms. A notice might read, please replace the soap, as a polite reminder for maintaining hygiene. 3. Shopping list reminder. It could be a note to remind someone to buy new soap. The phrase can be slightly altered to fit different contexts. Could you replace the soap in the bathroom? We need to replace the soap dispenser. It's broken. Remember to replace the soap whenever it runs out. Each variation changes the focus slightly, from requesting an action to stating a need or setting a rule. Let's practice. Imagine you're at a friend's house, and you've just washed your hands. You notice the soap bar is almost finished. You might say, I think it's time to replace the soap in your bathroom. This shows your attentiveness and care for your friend's space. Replace the soap is a simple yet versatile phrase in English. Remember, understanding the context helps in grasping the exact meaning. I hope this explanation clears up any confusion and adds a useful phrase to your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time. See you in our next video.